Intro. Moses here with Gospel Progressions University, and I'm going to show you this praise break. We're going to look at three sections of the praise break. The introduction, we're going to look at the main drive, and a route or a type of chorus. Now I'm going to show you what that is. Everything is built though, and is centered around these walk-ups. And this walk-up is going to be a B flat or a 3. We start at a 3, 4, sharp 4, 5, 6, flat 7, 7, and back to 1. Or some type of rendition. Now just keep that in mind. As we're doing that though, the introduction, part of it is just going to keep a repeating motif, repeating theme. So there's a couple things happen. If you pay attention, you can see that it's just part of that walk up I just showed you. B flat, it just repeats. And now we have some embellishments in the right hand. Same thing. But now we add chords, G flat, and then we add the B chord. Simple. Now we go to a diminished chord. So that should diminish, C diminished 7th, and then we have the 1 chord, the G flat, over the 5. And now we're going to use essentially these 3 notes, and then we're going to add this one in here. You can just do this. You don't have to do anything else, and it still will sound authentic. Authenticness is important for something like this. This is why you want to start off slowly. Again, now we can go to the A. And you can just repeat that to your heart's content. It's important to understand where the timing comes in for these walk-ups. So we do the walk-up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Rather this. Right, because I'm thinking of something else. So I say 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 because that walk-up is on the 2. It always starts off 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. That's important for what I'm going to show you when we get to the main drive. So as we do that now we can come out of that. And so because we're already on 1, meaning 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. See how that works? You're not going to think of it counting in your head. It's more of a feeling, but I want you to understand why it's important to get it slowly. Start with your numbers, get it slowly first, and then build up on the time. That walk up there is everything to the praise break, especially keeping your right time. If the time is wrong, what you're doing, you're going to build up a train wreck, and it's just going to mess everything up. As we walk up now, we're looking at the left hand. We're doing the entire thing. And all that is, again, if you pay attention, the melody is on top. The melody is the same thing as the root. So it's... So again, the walk up is going to be on the second beat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. All right, so this is over B flat, over B, over C, over D flat. Then we skip a whole step over E flat, over E, over F, and over G flat. So the right hand, the top melody is going to repeat what's going on in the root. So with the main drive, the most important thing you have to consider and have to worry about is the timing. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. Get that turtle slow and then build up the speed. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. Make a game out of it. Do this for like 10, 15 minutes. Speed up a little bit. Do it some more. Come back the next day. Do it for several days until you get it down, and then speed the time up. Yes, it may take that long. It took me a while to get it. Well, the walk up in the main drive is going to be your tritone in your left hand. So that's E flat, A, E, and B flat. That's where we end. So this is where you're, this chord here. So as we do that now, we can embellish as you get, you know, the right hand, the left hand down. We can embellish what goes on the left hand. So as you walk up, that's in our left hand, that's in our right hand. Do it slowly, and we're just basically paying attention just to the D flat, E flat, and the G flat. And then we add the A every so often. We need the bass player to be on point with us. And what they're gonna do, what she's gonna do, is pay attention to the timing. They start on the 1, and they typically, bass players have to go 1 and they come down. So then we come here, and then probably change strings. All right, come back down again. But it's gonna be 1, 2, the same pattern. We can start off on 2 because that's what we happen to start on that. We can go back to the chorus again by just doing a walk up. And typically the walk up again is gonna be part of that. So we start here. Okay, as we do that walk up, we have this here. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That starts on 1. So we would have something like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Actually, I jumped ahead. I meant to show you about this first. That's what I did in the preview here. So typically, again, like we're gonna break up that same. We're not starting on the second beat. We're starting on the first beat. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 1 because they're grouped into 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's one way to help you remember. Now looking at the route, there's could be many of them. There's just a variation on the main drive. And so with that route, what we can do is just walk up. All right, as we walk up though, we're not doing the entire walk up because we need to give ourselves like a pickup rhythm to do the, you don't always have to do that, but it helps. So it's with this, okay? And we stop here on, that would be the B flat, rather the E. The E, and we leave out the last 2. So we're not doing this. We're just doing, to introduce, or rather, to introduce us into that main drive. We skip up a whole step. We end here, and then we. So with this here, we do the E flat, A. This is all over the, okay? Kind of tickle that B flat into that B, right? E flat, A, and then D flat. And then the right hand is G flat, B, D flat, G flat. To leave that route, we can do the same thing. We can walk out. And then just right back to the intro. And we can go to different types of routes throughout. If this video has helped you and you want to explore more about these tritones, go ahead and check out the link in the description. You can download my free cheat sheet on tritones. God bless you, and I will see you in the next video.